Are you having problems with libgit2 not locating the Git2 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before the technical guide for Git2 library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Git2 library, the libgit2 linkable library core. It provides the localized unmanaged execution environment for Git operations without requiring the full Git CLI. Mandatory for localized IDEs, Visual Studio and VS Code to perform localized commit, push, and pull actions. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because Git2 library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the libgit2 system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Git2 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Remember that manual replacement of Git2 library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Git2 library synchronization. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Git2 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.